Yeah, got a new guy, Brandon or something, right?
Brennan, but whatever.
Yes. Probably best not to give your full name, sure.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, right, so what I was just doing was reducing the power of my jump, and now I am weak. I'm a tiny little mouse, and I cannot jump. Hmm. I see that has gone too far. Right. So that one was 10, and then I set it down to 6, and that was too little, so I guess 8 will be the compromise. So you're seeing this game for the first time, so I guess don't bother with all the obvious questions.
Okay.
Hmm. Right, I guess it
Who are
feels.
you,
Hmm?
who are you making it with?
Nestor Chavez, some 3D guy. Alright, so I see I'll make it slightly stronger, just 8.5, and that's that. Alright, so I guess the next step will be to work on the mouse some more, as the previous episode already. You're not working with Edmund this time, because I have actually, yeah, haven't been doing much with him. Still friends, but not been working together.
He's working on all his other side projects.
Yeah. Alright, so I see. We got long grass here now apparently, cause this is supposed to be the fields or whatever. And I'm told to make the pop-up animation of the mole myself instead of having an actual animation for it. So that's the thing that happens. But also, I should set the. Well, there's gonna be two animations. One pop-up animation I make with code, and then one that's the one that we see, but I need to fix the way it behaves. Alright, let's see. Set position. Here it goes. Oh, your mic's gotten slightly worse again.
I'll see if I can turn off some background sound or something.
Did you move away from your mic?
No, not at
Weird.
all.
So weird, it just suddenly went much worse than previously. You know, never use webcam mics. Oh, they're horrible.
Does that help at all?
Not really.
No.
I think calling again might work.
It's really weird.
Indeed. I was thinking of trying a different program. I wonder if that'd be a wise idea. Maybe I've been using Skype for too much.
I didn't know that you could overuse Skype.
I mean, because I've been using it in videos and it has shitty quality, so that would be an overuse, I suppose.
Oh, I see.
If there was one perfect program that would have the crystal clear.
Telepathy.
Yes. Actually, I don't know. Considering that goes in the real world, it might be very slow. Might have a terrible ping. Alright, so let me fix that animation. Let's see if that works. Equals pop up. Got the window open, so there'll be street ambience. And possibly birds. So you're a programmer too, right?
Yeah, I'm learning HTML5.
I gotta call you back. Let's see if that helps. Yep, now you sound fine. Amazing, Skype. Just amazing. Don't you just love things that you need to restart regularly for them to work properly?
Oh yeah. I get the same on Windows. I update and then it says the next day later, oh, you need to update even more.
Great. Yeah,
Not very
that's.
fun.
Oh god, you're already worse again. Why? Damn it, Skype. Oh, so you do HTML? You said.
HTML5, CS3, JavaScript, like HTML5 games basically.
Oh well. Actually, can you use that headset that you
Yeah.
have that shocks you eventually? I mean,
Yeah.
it's
Let me see
fine.
if I.
It's not gonna kill you. It doesn't even have such a high voltage because it's a computer.
No, it's just something about the body and it connects and it shocks me the first time. Yeah, I'll see if I can switch over.
Right.
Oh,
Well, you probably have to restart Skype because
yeah.
because
I'll be back
it'll
in.
never accept your new mic without being restarted.
No, I'll be back in like 2 seconds.
All right. All right. So while we're here, I'm gonna continue trying to fix this part, I suppose. All right. Parents. No wait. What do we have here? Bones dot L position. Right. I guess we'll just set bones dot position to target bones dot position plus vector 3 up minus target L multiplied by minus 1 no minus minus target dot time minus 2. Yeah, that'll do. And that should do. Let's have a look. Now I hope that the position of the mole should be fixed. God damn it. What could it be? What could it be? Vector 3 up. No, that's essentially fine. I don't spot the issue. Ah! There you go. No, piece of shit. Oh, actually, I was fairly... Well, I suppose your name's now on the record. Oh. So is this your new
Can you hear?
mic? Yes.
I think you can hear me, right?
A bit quiet, but yeah.
Really?
Oh wait, nope, now it's loud.
Okay, I'll try and move it back a little bit.
I see.
Is that better?
Yes, a good bit. It's probably better if it's slightly louder than this, if there is. Is that how you control it, by moving it further away from you? Well, interesting. So did you get shocked from your malfunctioning mic?
Oh yeah, of course. Right on my left ear this time instead of the right.
Oh boy.
Change things up a little bit.
It'll fry your brains.
Technology at its finest.
Clearly. Alright, so what do we have here? Did I do it the wrong way around then? I have minus time, no I have plus time, which means it goes up, which is what it should do. So why is that not acceptable? Let's have a look. Alright, so... Yeah, that's great. Can't even get this already done. I suppose this doesn't really belong in that code, but whatever. Yeah, I guess it really doesn't. I suppose I should put it somewhere else. God, that's so weird. That animation's just not completely functioning. God damn, and the other moles have killed me, and the high grass is making it hard. Damn it, high grass. Why must the moles be in the crops?
Is this like an Australian kind of based game or
It's supposed to be Wild West.
Wild West?
and Mexico. Yeah, moles.
No comment.
Oh yeah, what are you saying? You think it's racist?
Yeah, those dang moles. I prefer groundhogs over moles.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There's
Yes.
just something about them I just don't like.
But these are naked mole rats. I'm sure they're fine, right?
I'm pretty sure those are like the albino of like moles or something. I'm not sure.
No, they're actually a whole species.
Really.
Yeah.
I don't like those either.
Damn it. Why can't you like nature's beauty?
I don't know. Personal choice.
Right, so are you actually making some games as well then?
What'd you say?
Are you working on games as well?
I actually just got done counting some money, and now I'm going to be working on games.
You got done with what?
Counting some currency and stuff.
I don't know why that's a thing that takes a lot of time for you.
I don't know. Maybe I just count very slow, I don't know.
I suppose. Right. Hell. Fuck, that animation really isn't suited well for me at all. Well, no problem. I'll worry about that later, I suppose. Or whatever.
How does that work? Like,
what-
since
what-
you're programming in C#, and then
Yep.
you're using 3D, how does that work when you're doing frame by frame in programming? Is it the same as 2D?
Similar, in a way. There's more to it because it's actually got bones and stuff, so... Well, it doesn't have frame by frame. Instead it just has bones, and the bones are 3D, so... Essentially it's... The animation's 3D, so... You can rotate it in directions and everything. Or you could access the bones with the code or whatever and make the bones bigger or smaller or whatever you want, really.
I see. I've just never coded in 3D before, so that's all new to me.
Oh yes, you gotta use vectors. All of the vectors. Alright, so...
I said, do you use a lot of vector casting, or no? Not really in Unity.
What does that mean?
Vector casting?
Yes.
Have you ever seen Doom, how the walls are just all smooth and you put a pattern on it?
Well...
It's like really simple 3D or something.
Well, I don't work with the textures, if that's what you mean, but I definitely do all kinds of things with 3D otherwise. All kinds of things with the... Well, what exactly is it used for? Is it just for the graphics? Is it for the decals or whatever? You still there? God damn
Can you
it.
hear me?
Now I can. Jeez, you must have terrible internet.
I know.
Such a poor kid.
Yeah, it's mainly just used for basic 3D walls and stuff.
Right. Well, I'm sure that's all built in then. Alright, so what I want to do is public float pop up, I guess, which will be a thing. Ah, God, if I could type there, pop. God damn, pop up there is 0, and then public float pop is false. No, that's actually a bool in that case. So there'll be one for down and one for up, and then that'll be that. Alright, so where is this mole? Here we go. Only one place in the code where that happens, okay. Equals run. No. Right, so now I'm gonna make it so that... Okay, so I have this animation, this dig in animation. And the way I use it in these cases is as a placeholder for the actual animation, which I'm going to use now. Except for the fact that it's not an animation, it's just an idle state, so... I guess that'll happen then. Okay, so instead of animation is dig in, I'm going to say... is this all ready? Because it should only work when it's ready, I suppose. Huh, interesting. Alright, so now I guess it's not. Okay, so let's put all this stuff into ready. If ready. What do you think of the new Suicide Squad? Or the only Suicide Squad? Haven't seen it?
No, I haven't seen it. Some people say it's really good, and other people say it's a complete flop. I haven't really heard a middle ground yet.
Oh god, I bet it's so garbage. I'm gonna watch it today. I'm just so bored. I want to do something and go out and watch something. Yeah, walking and watching.
Isn't that where Pokemon Go comes in?
God, I hate Pokemon Go.
I can't play it. I don't have a cell phone.
I actually just bought a cell phone because I didn't have internet for a while, and now I could play Pokemon Go, but I won't because it sucks. And also, cell phones are the fucking worst. God damn, smartphones are so shit. Just constantly beeping and booping and nonsense.
People calling you, have to interact with people on the phone, man.
Fucking worst.
I know.
Well, they know not to call me though. They know. Alright, so silly me getting distracted. Alright, pop up equals frame time plus god damn it, 100 I guess. Yes, minus that's right, 100, that's how much it equals. And the other part will be the same thing here, I suppose. Yes, and then mole.pop equals true, which means it's actually no, it should be false, come to think of it. That means that it's going down rather than up. It's false. Okay, so that's good. And that should make it so that he then goes down slowly once I program that in. Alright, so if mole.pop up larger frame time, then so what kind of games have you made?
Really crappy ones.
Oh boy.
Nothing super special yet. I've done more art than actual games itself.
Well, that's a thing too that exists and
Yeah.
needs to be done.
That's why I'm trying to make it on my own, so I can actually make more stuff the way I want it, instead of just doing the art for other games.
Ah, you must have a really old typey keyboard. Just ultra mechanical.
It's the ones I actually kind of like.
Oh yeah, you like making noise.
Yes, I really do.
You like that thing. It's almost like a typewriter, but you can tell that it's just one step further, so that it's all plastic and stupid sounding.
It makes me sound important when I make a lot of noise.
No, stop. I already have the window open, so we'll have all the street. Are there birds? I never know if they're birds, because they're just always there, or not, I don't even know. Maybe if they were always there, I'd get used to them and I wouldn't know. Alright, so target.bones.position equals target.bones.position minus vector, plus vector, vector 3 dot up, multiplied by f1, and f1 equals if target pop, it equals something other than if not, because it's either going up or down. So the animation time will be determining the position of the mole. So let's have a look at this then. We will have target not time, and then multiply it by 3, and then minus 3, I guess. I'm just guessing here. Fuck it. I really just can't be bothered doing anything other than trial and error for this part. Okay, here we go. It's probably only gonna take me 1 try if it's wrong. God damn, if I could type, that is. Yes, not target pop, but instead mole.pop, because it's a different class. Yes, as established last episode, which is probably actually the episode that came out 2 years ago. Maybe.
So it's a little out of date.
Yeah, because this is coming out 2 years in the future. I don't know. Hard to tell. It's getting very convoluted, the timelines. Okay, so flop. It's disappeared and then it's reappeared. Okay, so well, it didn't work. That's safe to say. But then again, it didn't not work. Oh fuck! God, every time. It's so weird how I can still grab the mole and then he instantly glitches around. Oh, that's just horrible. Okay, so seeing how pop is false, we actually have... God damn. I should actually make it higher. I don't know why that makes it worse. What are you doing?
Me?
Yeah, typing.
Is it really that loud?
Yes.
Oh.
It's noticeable at least. Well, tell me what you're typing then.
Basic HTML to set up for a new canvas for HTML5 game.
Oh wow, I didn't even realize you could make games with HTML5. I thought that was just for internet. For browsing.
No, you can actually wrap it up and make Androids and iOS games now, surprisingly.
Wow. Yeah, Android, that's what my new phone is, I think. Weird thing. Spam full of Google notifications.
Tell me about it.
Alright, so why... Wait a moment. Would we be happening to be above the sky? Could that be the case?
There goes a plane.
Yeah, I muted it though slightly. Oh well, here it goes again. Alright, so... No, not in the sky. God, why didn't I check it out? Come on. Do it. Oh wait, he won't do it, will he? Because he's being a piece of shit. Right. Unfortunately, I need to create yet another thing. Public lpop. Another bool that says whether or not it's been in the popping state previously. False. Alright. Dot pop. Yep, that would be it. So why the fuck would this not work, I wonder? Okay, so what if I say f1 times equals not much? What's gonna happen then? Also, I suppose pop is false, which means that it's minus time, which should... Actually, that's fine. That should make it go down. So why doesn't it, I wonder? Interesting. Well, let's see what he does now. Nothing, just disappearing, god damn it. Okay, so what's the fuck? What the hell's up with this? What if I just make it disabled? Okay. And let's see if he's just gonna sit there idly. Ah, pff, stupid. That plant has a collider, which is weird. Alright, so
I think your screen went gray on my end.
fucking hell, Skype. Literally just 1 second without fucking up. Is that too much? Well, guess everyone sees your face now. Oh boy. Game Squid's most wanted.
Right.
Yeah, you look really... Your picture really looks like a most wanted picture though, like a mugshot.
And yours looks like a squid.
It is, it's such a squid. Alright, so now it's not doing anything. Brilliant. I don't understand what is wrong.
Are those little eggs on top, or are those just...
Oh, they just they just signify where the holes are. I should really disable them, but now's not the time for that. Well, actually, fuck it, let's do that. Moles dot something. Add? Must be add. No, not add. Fuck. Is this it? No. Maybe. Yes. Okay, so moles. What do we have with this list or array called moles? How is it created? Nothing. Goddamn. Aha, here it goes. Right. Oh, what's that sound now?
In my background?
Yeah. I think you need to keep talking or else Skype will be noisy. It does that. 'Cause it thinks you're not
Doing anything?
quiet. Yeah.
I can just start singing if you want.
Oh god.
I'm not the best singer, but I could probably come up with something.
I bet. Well, I
There.
suppose you might as well give it a try then. Go sing.
Pass.
Oh no! Don't pass.
Console log. First.
Alright, so I'm gonna destroy these mole holes. I'll hope that... Oh wait, that won't work, will it? Fuck. I'm being an idiot, of course. Now I'm gonna get null reference errors. Yes, that is stupid. Yep, there's the null references. Do I see the mole holes? Well, they're destroyed. That's good then. Fuck. Okay, so that means that moles is now no longer a thing. It's now in fact a list of... Ah man, why did I bother with this? That is so stupid. And all the while I was having issues already. Great. Okay, so now you become an array, a list of vectors rather than game objects. Right. Yeah, there's no way that could ever be a whole bunch of work to change, is there? Right. Okay, moles set up as game objects, no more. Now vectors. Vectors reason in fact. Alright, moles equals this stuff, which it doesn't anymore. Mole hole. Ah, fuck. Game object. Is that capital? I never know. List. No! The thingy. Right. Mole hole. Yeah, that should work. Right. And we put this in here, and that is that. Oh god. Right. Moles equals new vector 3 Do you have any experience with C sharp?
I tried it for a little bit, but since I didn't really understand, I messed with the ActionScript before, but C# is completely confusing to me.
Right. Well, ActionScript is a lot like JavaScript, so I suppose you got that one covered.
Yeah, it's not too bad. You don't really use, like in ActionScript or how you use like public voids and stuff, you don't really use that as much in JavaScript
Yes.
when you first start out. It's weird.
I see. Well, in ActionScript too, everything didn't even have a type, or you could just fluently change one variable to another type. How did that even work? How is that not bullshit? How is that ever optimized? Alright, so now I'm gonna add the thing here. Gonna use the position from the mole hole from that circle before I destroy it, and save that as the vector, and then I have a list of vectors instead, I suppose, if that works. And then all I have to do is check out all the millions of errors that will cause, and then I'll have succeeded in having made these white balls invisible. Great. Okay, go on. Clear. 11 hours. Not so bad. Unfortunately, it starts here already. Please tell me this is just gonna work. I don't have time to fix every error twice. Oh good, it worked.
One left.
Oh, 10. Yeah.
You lost one though. That's
Indeed. Okay, I don't need to worry about this, I suppose. Well, maybe I do need to worry about this. Okay, that's fine. Just need to put that there. That's 2 errors in one. I suppose all the errors are going to be in this area, so maybe I can get them all at once, maybe. Okay, anything else? I have G1? No. Good. Here's the next one. You are now vector. Did I say 10?
Yeah,
Yes,
I
I
think it was
did.
10.
Alright, vector 10. Because that's how I name variables. Just vector 10. Not even spelled vector, just vector, just VV10.
Looks more like a big W than anything.
Yeah, it's all the more confusing. I thought I was smart because I was gonna use lots of vector 2s, but no one uses vector 2s. Vector 2s are shit. You use vector 3s in 3D. I mean, vector 2s are so rare. I might as well give them special names every time. Alright, vector 10. Yeah, that would be so simple if they were just called V instead of VV.
Are there bosses in this game?
Yes, that big mole, for example, is a boss, and then there's a big hawk as well, which is really quite threatening to your little mouse. Alright, I bet I've got 3 left or whatever. Right, or 0, no. It's actually 7, fuck. It's almost as if it's gotten more. Oh right, this is called mole hole. Right. Because it's not a vector. Fuck you, airplane. Oh, there's the next one.
I hear a lot of motorcycles and airplanes lately.
Oh, in real life or over
No,
videos?
on your side.
Right, yeah. What do you mean lately? We've just met. Yeah, maybe I should have closed the window, but then again it'd be all awkward silence, and that's not great either. Alright, let's check. What's the last arrows? None! Yeah, no, never mind. You don't need position there. Good stuff. Anything else? Well, yeah, obviously 4 more, I suppose. Or not. Dare I hope. Alright, let's see. No more eggs. No more eggs in this basket. Yeah, no errors currently. Alright. That works. I wonder if people would be annoyed at this grass. Yeah, they would be, of course. It's ridiculous.
Can you make it like transparent so when you're kind of running through it, you can still see it, but
I don't know. That would kind of make it redundant. Also, no, that wouldn't really work, because if you look here, there's not only this grass in the way, but there's all this grass in the way.
are you under the ground?
No, I'm in the grass. But I can move the camera wherever, yeah.
Okay.
Slightly. Well, there's a bit of a collision with the ground, but if I go deep enough, I can see what's underneath. Which I probably should change. But then again, who cares? I mean, this is... I'm not even sure. Yeah, I guess I'll keep that feature actually, so I guess I will have to make it be more elegant with the ground.
So did you like 3D over 2D when you were making Flash games?
Well, 2D is simple, but I don't know if 2D is also simple in Unity. I suppose it is, considering you can just program nearly every part of Unity. So I suppose if I just put all the animations in a folder, I could just access them using simple functions that I write. So I guess that would be simpler, but I think 3D is really fascinating. There's really quite a lot that goes into it. And I think it'll be quite nice to have this 3D environment to explore. Maybe this whole street going on could give me a chance to speak louder, and then I would be better. But if I were to speak louder, I should probably move the microphone slightly away. Like this. I hope I'm not too quiet then when I mumble. Ah, god damn. Too much to think about. Alright.
Not a very good multitasker, are you?
I thought I was alright. Just get distracted, but that's fine. It's not really... I suppose it would be better if I were working at the same time while I'm being entertaining. I guess that would be ideal. And then I would really have made it. I'd be the best YouTuber of all time. Just writing games, talking to people, promoting games, selling them on Steam, just everything at once. I'd be like one of those people who strap all those instruments to the body and just play.
One-man band.
That's the one, yeah.
I don't know why I knew that on top of my head, but okay.
Gotta be a one-man band. Alright, so pop up. Why is this... How would it just remove it? I don't even... Seems like this is fairly non-horror, but what if this is very small? What is there any way that this could avoid breaking this code? Just in any way. Oh, because I'm stupid. Yes, of course. Why is it always me being stupid that's causing the issue? Fuck. Of course, so instead of time we have... Not time, it's that... Well, I guess technically it's time, but it's not target time, because target time is based on animation, but this is now outside the animation, it's just a movement, not an animation, so here we go. F1 is mole.popup minus frame time divided by 50, I guess. 50F. Right, here we go.
So sorry,
go on.
ahead.
No, you go.
Do you prefer like ActionScript over C# personally? Like the transition?
Well, ActionScript is very poorly optimized, so I suppose it'd be stupid to prefer it. Because everything's super laggy in that thing. But then again, maybe ActionScript 3 is slightly better, who knows. Alright, now it's not doing anything, which is obvious, because I have it multiplied by 0.01. So if I disable that part, then I should now see this mole graciously disappear underground. Oh boy, can't wait. It is gonna be painfully slow, I bet. It's gonna be...
I thought your just screen froze up. That's what I thought was happening.
Huh?
I said I thought your screen froze up when you were just sitting there.
Oh?
I was
Well,
just like, yay, more errors.
Nope. That's just some assets that I bought that are causing issues. Yeah, it's street farting time. Everyone get your street farting vehicle out. Okay, so this is weird. Am I retarded? Is this not acceptable?
I don't even understand half the code that you were writing in, so...
Right. Nope, this is... I don't see how this could permanently make him retarded. Unless... Well, I suppose, yeah, I guess it no, I don't understand it, actually. Alright, let's see. If target dot type equals start mole, which is the big one, then we're gonna output some stuff. Info message equals this stuff dot toString, and now we shall see. Yes, we shall definitely see. Yep, can't wait. It always takes so long to publish, to play. I wonder if that's because there's so many assets in this game already. Aha! He goes up. But he should have actually gone down, and then... Are you serious right now? Is this subtype? Am I... Yes, it's subtype. Okay, silly me. Here we go. So, A, it's reversed, which means I should be putting a exclamation there, because they should be popping down, not up. Alright, so what do we have? Minus, now plus. Minus. So there is literally no reason for him to be retarded right now. Not a single reason. Aha, but if I hit him he starts over, I see. And now he's retarded again. Aha! This is a whole new version of Whack-A-Mole. The buggy version, look at this. I whack him and he comes up. Woo! Yeah. Well, that's a thing that happens. Okay, so this is so oddly confusing. Okay, so why don't we also output well, we also output target dot animation so that I can tell what animation it's in, so I can know why the fuck it's being broken. And also, I suppose I should have something here that's called mole.lpop, which means that it's been recently in there, I suppose. So I can tell when it should leave the animation, I guess. Oh, true. So what's that game you're working on now then?
Honestly, I've just started, so I'm just trying to figure out JavaScript. I've just now started getting into language.
Oh wow.
So I'm pretty much a complete and utter noob when it comes to JavaScript right now.
Doing tutorials?
Yeah, just reading through stuff like W3 schools and trying to piece it together in my head.
Right. Okay, so what's this atrocious error now? Oh, right, it's called else if. Fine. You got me. Forgot an if. I wonder what would be better. Sushi or McDonald's today before the cinema?
Well, that's a pretty big gap in between food types right there.
Yeah, well those are the two ones that I usually like, I guess. They're not really that different though. Sushi isn't really that healthy, especially if you go all you can eat, so it's really just one gluttony versus another.
Yeah.
Because it's going down, that makes sense in a way. Whoop. Yep, that is how those animations should work, except for the fact that they don't reset. I don't know why they don't reset. Clearly this if statement doesn't ring true, so I don't understand why this would be set to non-idle. Yep, no clue. It's called sit. It's got everything. Unless... Nope, they forgot everything. Weird. Unless this whole ready part is puzzling the poor mole. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's output a whole bunch of extra variables. I said that nicely. Variables. Ah, God, I never can say that word. You say it.
Variables?
Ah, man, that's it. Variables. Oh, God, no. Again. Again, please.
Variables.
Variables. Nope, I can't do it. Maybe I'm simply not eloquent enough. Or did I sound fine when I did it? No, probably not, right? Even though...
Second, the last one that you said sounded fine, but before that your B sounded a little... I don't know.
Right. Oh, maybe I was right. Maybe I wasn't wrong at all. Maybe I just don't understand when I'm right. Cause... Alright. Variables. Was that it?
Right.
Great. Variables. Yeah, I guess the trick is just
Don't think about it, just say it.
I mean, no, that's not the trick. The trick is to fake it, I guess, and then no one realizes that you haven't said it properly. No way, that can't be right. If it's not, maybe it's that thing where you can read a word if just the first and the last letter are in the right order, and the middle is scrambled.
You could just shortcut it and say var.
Yes.
Var equals.
But that's pedestrian. Not well, which isn't the word I should be using, considering I like walking on foot. Alright, so we got ready as true, and now we have ready as false because garbage. Alright, that's good. Now we have spotted the issue. Alright. Why? Oh, wow. That is really stupid. Just completely stupid. So obvious. Wow. Okay, that's that then. This should fix the issue. Slightly. Also, okay, so this is for going down. Yeah, okay, let's just see. Let's see how it goes down now. I want to see this. Now, the problem will be that it doesn't realize that it's gone down, I guess. Maybe it was fine the way I had it. The fact that it was... Oh, there you go. It's going down. And then it's going down again. Okay.
It's not resetting still.
That's... It's resetting. It's just that its best move is to go down. It just doesn't know what the next step is.
Oh.
Next step would be to go up again, I suppose. Yeah, look at that. Now they all do it. Now the question is, why is it more than 0? Wait, I know the answer to that too. Yeah, it's stupid.
You're just programming mentally challenged moles right now.
Yup. They're really mentally retarded. Man, these moles have looked retarded all along. Alright.
They're so mentally challenged they're defying the laws of physics.
Indeed. Alright, so we're gonna make this a 5, and this a 5, and this also a 5, and that's not enough. I wanted 6 actually. Alright, 6, 6, 6. Alright, here we go. And now we should have the moles go down smoothly. And then... Indeed. And then we're gonna say ready. Ready is false. Oh right, if mole dot pop equal, I don't know which one actually. Okay, we see it here. If we say false, if it's false, okay. So if exclamation mole pop, then ready is false, and mole dot pop up equals frame time plus 50. And this means that it's gonna play the going up animation instead. I mean, now it'll mean that. Once I say true here. And also semicolon. And also getting that code here from down there, yes. Only not quite, I suppose. Ah shit, what is all this? Oh, this is basically that code, I see. Oh boy, that is frustrating. Okay, so I should probably just use this code and then trigger it another way. Or B4, I guess. So we're just gonna say B4. Wow, that word has a meaning too. Alright, B4 is true. Great, so that's that. What about what's B3 out now? B3 is nothing to worry about here. And so this code here will be replaced by that code, and right. Yes, indeed, this code here. This is the code where it pops back up, I suppose. If target carry equals null, then we do it the old way, otherwise we do it the new way. So that'll be interesting. Can't wait to see what new terrors this will create. What new bugs. Here it goes. Maybe it's flawless, who knows?
That'd be amazing.
Just the perfect whack-a-mole game created over months, but perfected within minutes. And he goes down, and yep, that's failure at its finest. Oh yeah, that's... God, those tiny moles are so annoying. I'm trying to test here, damn it. Alright, so I can tell what the issue is. Yep, definitely can tell the issue. The issue is that this is not stopping that other thing from happening. It just keeps resetting the animation because it keeps playing this part over and over again. Right. Okay, so that's something that might help.
Try again.
Right, or before. Right, because this time stuff is not relevant. I probably should say before first. Guys, it sounds so stupid as saying before, but just bool number 4. It's not anything having to do with before. Alright, here we go then. What do you think? McDonald's or sushi?
Oh, sushi sounds good.
It does.
Like, I'm not really a big fan of like Tokyo rolls, but more a fan of like sashimi, the rice patty with like raw fish. I think that's what it's called, sashimi.
Oh, I have no idea. I despise the Japanese language, or any foreign languages really.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
I love linguistics.
You do, huh? Oh boy, wow, everything has gone horribly wrong now. Oh well, you love linguistics, interesting.
Ironically, I only still speak English.
Oh boy! Well, that is terrible. Wow, you Americans, you... That is just embarrassing, really. Don't you have schools? Don't those schools teach you things? Fuck. I learned 3 languages in school.
But do you remember them?
Yes. Well, I understand parts of Italian, but I don't speak them. But I definitely have 2 languages that I ace.
Except for variable.
Yes. or do I know it? Let's see. Nope, I messed up. Okay, variable. Well, you need to tell me. Was it alright?
How to spell it?
No, what did I say? It alright?
Yeah, it sounds fine.
Great. Okay, so what could be wrong? How is it possible? I don't understand. Why is it resetting it? Ah, I guess that could be it, I guess. Already is false, if anything. Right, let's have a look if that makes any difference. No, it won't. God damn, I can't believe what a mess this is. It would be so much easier if this was just an animation. But nope, just a movement now, not an animation.
We made something in Flash.
My god, you are laggy as hell. Wow, how have you become so laggy?
Yeah.
I heard what you said, but oh my god.
Yeah, it's lagging on my end.
You would not believe how incredibly laggy you sounded. And it's weird too, because how can it delay you? How can your lag slow down your speech? I don't even. Yeah, and I haven't done anything in Flash since I made the Eternal update, which is really a long time ago now.
Yeah.
God, this is all terrible. Just awful. Just I've made such a mess of things. This whole stuff I did was awful. Oh, I know exactly. Yes, this might want to be actually read. No, it's not ready, is it? It's not based on being ready. What else is it based on?
I think it just might be my graphics card lagging up my whole computer.
Could that be it? Yeah, that makes sense actually, because otherwise your time wouldn't get fucked up. But if your internet was lagging, but if you... No, not really. I swear it slowed down your speech. How could that work?
I don't know. Whenever I start video chatting and talking back and forth through Skype, my graphics card gets really hot. I mean, it's a GeForce.
A laptop?
No, it's a GeForce GT 240. So it's really, really old.
Oh boy, I have a better graphics card that I just removed from my computer and replaced it with a newer one. Oh.
Yeah, this thing's running almost at 200 degrees Fahrenheit.
Maybe I should send you my 660. If only... I don't know, would that even be worth it? Using the thing, using the postal?
I have
Would
plenty of RAM, but the graphics card just sucks.
Well, maybe you should stop all other programs so you can focus purely on listening to me. Yep, no Flash games in a while. I thought of going back to Flash, but now I really shouldn't, because I've got obligations of making 3D games now.
They have been working on an export to HTML5, but I'm not sure how good that is in Unity yet, using WebGL.
Oh yeah, I wonder.
Do you have the full version of Unity?
Nope.
No.
The free version currently. I had the full one of the old one, and then they updated it, and I don't have the full version anymore. Not if I want that current Unity. Horrible.
Are you just making this game for Steam, or you're unsure?
Well, definitely Steam if possible. Alright, so what if I make this whole part false? What will happen then? What if I remove this entire code? What will happen? God, that's not gonna work. Ah, fuck. How is it? Oh, I know. Of course, it's all retarded. Yes. Why don't I even? Why don't I even? Did you know that it would be wise to declare a variable before using it? Jesus, fuck.
Never would have thought about it.
Yeah, me neither, apparently. Alright, so let's see how that changes things. Slightly. Well, that obviously explains why it would be resetting itself constantly. Oh my god, I'm so starving right now. Yes, I didn't eat much so that I could have a big dinner. I wonder if that was unwise. I suppose. Oh yes, it worked! Oh boy, I did it. I fucking did it, kind of. It overshoots a little, but it's so much. It's so not broken at the moment. Oh my god! Unlike my neck, because I'm the worst ragdoll of all time at the moment. Okay, so what's the issue here? I mean the slight issue of it going too high up. Okay, if it's not pop-up, then it does this one. Instead, that's the one we have. Okay, let's see. Did I say plus 100? No, I did not. Okay. Actually, let's see. What did I say? I say plus 50. That's good. Then what's the other thing? Alright, so that's good. Kind of. Where you're really distracted.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
What did he say now?
I don't know. I'm mumbling.
I demand your full attention. I'm sorry, this is probably not what you signed up for. Well, you asked me if you could watch me, so this is how we're doing it. Or did you? I guess you just asked me how I was doing. Then I asked if you wanted to watch me, right?
Yeah.
Well, I need someone to watch me, or else I'll be lazy all day.
Yeah, that's the same with my other friend. If he doesn't have background noise or he's talking to someone, he doesn't do as fast as he usually does. It's weird.
It's horrible.
It's like I need attention to make me look important in program.
Yeah. Well, it'll probably be fine. Eventually I'll have so many people who are just gonna be willing to watch me that I'll never have an issue again. Yes, I'm sure my YouTube channel will explode massively. Who will be you, PewDiePie, will people ask. Everyone will just be englamored by watching me program and be slightly politically incorrect at the same time. Yes. Do you watch my YouTube channel, by the way?
Yeah, I was watching it. I haven't watched it for a while. I was watching it when you were doing the Eternal update and a couple of these videos a while ago.
You see, that's what I was thinking. That people just stopped watching because I didn't do programming anymore. What another Let's Play, fuck that. I've got important pretentiousness to get back to. Okay, so I'm... Okay, I need to look at the numbers while it does this, because otherwise I'll never find out what ails it. Okay, so here we go. He goes... He's idle there. Ah! Fuck. Got minus something. Okay, so that wasn't right. I need you to do it again, please. Ah! Fuck! Oh no, actually, pausing it doesn't work. That's a minor issue, but whatever, I don't care. I guess if people pause the game, then the mole will just look him in the eye as if he was not inside the ground. Okay, so here we go then.
So he might do like that golfer look.
Oh my god! Look at that! What the hell? Not the butt.
What the heck?
Well, he's obviously not doing the animation right. Okay, so that's obvious then, I guess, kind of.
Were those lizards supposed to be in the hole?
Lizards? Those are moles.
Oh, they looked upside down or something.
They are upside down. That is the issue that we have right now. I don't know how I created this issue, but I know how to fix it. If I could find where I have this code that I was just working on, please. Oh my. Interesting. Alright, if target.animation is not target.idle, then if I can type, then animation target.idle. There we go. So target ready is target.tReady is true, and thus we will have no more butt moles, I suppose.
Butt moles.
Indeed. How much time you got?
It's been about an hour.
Has it? Wow.
I mean,
Oh, yes, it has.
it could have been more or less since, you know, we had to Skype call and then ended about 3 or 4 times.
No, it's about an hour. A bit more even. But I wouldn't mind going on for another hour if you have time.
I'm not sure if I can go that long, but I can go on for a little bit longer.
Cool. Yeah, because I'm on a roll. Kind of.
Of errors.
Success is the skill to continue after you failed. Or something. I'm butchering that quote, I'm sure. Something about failing repeatedly though. Definitely a success. Okay, so now let's have a look. And no. No, it did not go. It was between 0 and -1. Oh, I see. I now understand. It works completely different than the time would work, because this is now minus. It gets really low whenever it's close to done. Right, let's see. It goes down, it goes... fuck, why don't I look? I can't pause it, because pausing it fucks it up. I need to look at the number, damn it.
Don't you have
What?
a pause button in your game?
I do, but it's fucked up in this case. Because as I just established earlier, or at least was trying to... I know I'm hard to follow at times. This current animation isn't pausable, so whenever you pause it, it just goes back to the default position instead of being in the actual position. Alright,
I
so...
have a this pause button.
You do?
On a game I was making, you ever heard of the game engine Stencil before?
No.
No? It's pretty much just like a drag and drop kind of program where you make Flash games and converts to other stuff. It's like a cross compiler.
Ah, sounds like Unity meets Flash, and it becomes even more simple.
Oh yeah. Well, every time you'd pause the game, the pause button to go back to the menu would be exactly in the middle of the screen. So if you were somewhere else in the game, your pause button would be right in the middle, all the way wherever the corner of the screen was in the middle of the game on that level.
Right. Yeah, that sucks. Okay, so this is confusing in a way, because it should not add up to anything larger than 0. Actually, no, it should, I suppose. Okay, so let's go. We got 0. F1 is 0, and that means we have pop-up not true, which means it's this one. This is 0, therefore it goes to 6, which means it's above ground, which is stupid. Which means that I'm just gonna remove the 6, and then essentially it should come out of the ground and stop at its perfect flawless position. And action. Now please. God damn it, Unity. We're not doing another take, Unity. You blew it.
I want my money back.
There we go, that's a good mole, if ever there was a good mole. Well, not quite perfect yet, but at least the animation, the motion, I should say motion, not animation, is perfect. Kind of perfect. I've seen, yeah, there's definitely a part where it's not perfect. Because when it goes down, it doesn't do it right away, which sucks. Which means that here I need to set it up to be down there. Mole dot, no, not mole. Target dot bones dot position is target dot bones. It's not position minus vector 3 up times 6. Yes, that's right. And thus it shouldn't flicker there, and then the next step will be for it to go and do the right sitting animation. The one where it has the hands up because it's holding the bomb. Unless, now that will be the interesting part, unless, is it actually capable of doing that? Let's have a look. Does it actually have the bomb already? Fucking errors! Can't I spell vector right now? Vector 3, amazing. So you use any vectors in your programming?
Once I learn how to implement them, I probably will, from Flash and Illustrator.
Yeah, you should use them. They've got all the mind-boggling powers.
Do you get a lot of errors from them?
You shouldn't, unless you make them wrong. Alright, so... Okay, he's definitely holding the bomb, and he's... I saw his butt then for a sec, that's not ideal. It seems to work, I suppose. Oh, I know why. I also need to play it too. Target dot... Oh, to animate... Target dot idle. If I could spell things. Dial. Wait, is that... Yeah, dial. I spelled it dial. Brilliant. But not an actual dial, just without an A. Alright. Target dot idle equals... Wow, spell it wrong another way. Amazing. Sit2. And thus we will have created the perfect animation for this. Or motion, I should say. What a productive day so far. Well, at least since you've been in this call. Yeah, before that I was just playing some League, and I got even demoted because I was playing poorly, or I was talking shit. Oh my god, beautiful, yes! Good stuff, Mole. Well, not quite, I guess.
There's something about my graphics card. I can't even play Minecraft on lowest settings full screen, or else it'll overheat.
Well, that's a graphics card, alright.
Yep.
Now the question is, why doesn't it work properly? And also, what is that jiggling it's doing there? Or is that its idle animation? What the fuck? Did it just cancel it? It's not supposed to be able to cancel its pop-up, what?
It's learning.
Weird. But I've noticed this. If I go near it, it sometimes cancels its animation. Yeah, like that. Why? Why you do this, Mole? Yeah. Okay, so... Fuck. Sit 2. Why doesn't this part work right away? What is this part here? Not player. Bird. God, what is this stuff? I don't... Confusing. Oh, animation frame, right. Okay. Okay, we got ready. I see. Or target dot animation equals idle? No, not idle. Or is it 2? Yes, those 2. Right. So let's have a look how that works now. I suppose it... Oh! Weird. Very, very weird. Not ideal at all. I have this Mole AI, and then way further down I set whether or not he's got his pants up or not. Okay. Kinda worked. But not quite. Wonder why. Why the hell's he got his hands up briefly? Aha.
I question the idea of where moles in the desert get bombs from.
Well, I'm sure they manufacture them. Animals are very intelligent in this game, you see. They've got villages and everything.
They don't just steal them from Area 51 or some military base.
The holes are the bombs, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh yes, it's all been dug up by moles, where they steal tiny bombs.
Government purposely make them for no reason, and the moles just decide to steal them.
Yep.
It all makes sense.
Indeed. Alright, shoot. Wait, no, that's not it. Fuck. How does it even work? How does it even... Oh, no. I understand somewhat, but not
Do I
fully.
hear a trolley?
I don't know what exactly that is. Okay, fuck this part. Fuck this part entirely. No, well, alright, here we go. So this part goes there. Before ready. And then... What's B1? Oh, mole hole, right.
Ooh.
Wait a moment, was that in there? Yes, it was, fuck. Okay, so this needs a B1 as well. Okay, we got this and then that, and here we got S2 is idle, and we got idle here. Oh, right. Set this here too, and this here is S2. Alright, so if ready then this, and if not ready then target dot idle is S2. Right, let's see. That should work, I suppose. Now I should not have issues with the hands being up when they shouldn't be. Hopefully, but who knows.
Maybe they're just raising the roof for no reason.
Oh yeah. Damn people having a good time. Get serious to your mole swearing. Ah fuck, it did it again. Yep. Wait a moment. Did it do it again? Oh great, Unity crashed.
Hope you saved.
Well, this is all outside it anyways.
Oh, do not like Mondo Developer, whatever the heck they use as their default C# editor.
I don't. I know it has some benefits, but it also is really, really weird. And it's definitely not Notepad++. And why would anyone not want Notepad++?
I use Sublime Text and Notepad++.
I actually did some things that I didn't save, I guess. No, yeah, definitely did those. Alright, coming out of hole, you go in there. God damn, did I really not save all day? Fuck. Well, just some minor stuff though. Alright, where's that thing where it gets interrupted? There it is. Bite, miss. Alright, so those are those. Yeah, there's an animation for that now. Alright, save please. Control S. You think that could do anything? Fucking garbage not realizing it.
This is when you program your own engine.
Oh yeah, probably should do. Nah, never. Too much work. Already too lazy. Alright, let's see. Wait, did I even... No, I didn't change anything. Well, I suppose it'd be good if it worked. It seems to work, so that's good. Now I'll just have to hope that... Oh, was it fine that time? Seems fine, kind of. Alright, Mole. He put his hands up again, but there's a possibility that makes sense. Okay, shoot is this animation, and this animation does what? Well, he actually does put the hands back up, so that's a thing that might actually be caused by the animation then. Oh, nice Unity. Yes, I'm sure that playing an animation without popping up with arrows is very difficult. Alright, so I'm just gonna assume that that's what causes those hands to be up. The fact that they're in the animation when they're still up. Alright, so here we go then. The question is, why do these moles not throw rocks at me? Aha. It's because they're retarded. They don't know how to teleport. I must have messed that up in a way.
Breaking laws of physics. Teleporting moles.
Well, they just disappear for a while and they reappear in another hole. Also they should, but they're not, so... Oh, what? Oh man. I see now one of the issues. Oh no, so tired. I guess you just got up when we started.
Yeah. I've only been up for probably about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours.
Right. Okay, so it's definitely not shooting at the right time in the animation, which is good to know. Okay, I have a function called fire, which takes care of shooting, I guess. Is this it? No. Not in that case. This is it. Okay, what's F1? Aha. Wait, what? Oh, I see. Yes, that makes sense. Ah, fuck that. I'll just make a switch case out of this. Switch. Target.animation. Yeah, I actually recently changed that when I made the bite miss animation, which you probably haven't even seen yet because of this tall grass. And thus I changed the time for that animation to throw the bomb, which is why it looks weird. So here it goes. I hope. Please. Yes. Yeah, I think that might have been an ice cream truck you heard there earlier, actually. Yeah. How weird. I never went to that. I wonder if that would be cool. Could be tasty. Yeah, I shouldn't allow myself to go all you can eat. Surely that would just go horribly wrong. I can't be trusted at those. Even if it's not even that expensive, so I don't have to eat all I can, but I still would probably eat far too much. But it's sushi.
You ever had a eel tail?
Oh yeah, eel's great.
Ooh, it's good.
I had eel sushi. I don't know if that's tail or not.
I have no clue.
Yeah, eel's the best sushi. I wish they were serving that at this place where I would go to, but they don't. I don't know, maybe it's too expensive for them. Oh no, I forgot the F. Alright, so now the throwing should be slightly better. And everything should be amazing. Yep, absolutely amazing. I'm just gonna see how long that fucking pointless Skype notification is gonna stay there without me clicking it away. Oh good. Just a little while. Alright, so thrown, yeah, that's right. Good stuff. Now the teleportation is a whole different thing. A whole different thing, yes indeed. Yes indeed, so I need to set a new state here using a variable called b5 in this case. Oh boy, I should use all the bools in this one. Should hope I'm never gonna have to go back to this code and scramble to see what all these bools mean. Alright, so ready. Something ready. Here ready. Or b5. Right. If... Yes, that's right. Okay, so... If... fuck. What'd I do? I needed to play this code for a short while it's searching for a hole to teleport to. But I don't want to play the other code already. Oh, I know. I have a timer for this specifically. If mole.popup plus 150 equals the thingy. Ah, God, this is... Oh, my God. Just the mental gymnastics I have to go through with this stuff. Ah. Okay, so it goes down, and then it waits underground. And when it finds a hole, then it waits some more. And then it reappears at that hole. But if it doesn't find a hole, it reappears instantly. Alright, 200 we say. No, that's too much. 100. No, 120. Alright. Yeah. Okay, if it's... Right. Otherwise it sets this to true. Pop-up is true. And... this is also true. I mean, this is pulled underground as usual. And what else? Yeah, that's good. And then if that's not the case, then we go with that code. Oh, okay, and then B5 is true. And ready is false. Alright, let's have a look. Yeah. I think I can have a look now. Don't spot anything else that's wrong. Oh God, I bet it's wrong. So do you ever have really problems that you can't figure out? It just puzzles you forever. Just get really stuck in something.
It's usually just typing errors for me, but I haven't really coded that deep into stuff yet, so...
Oh yeah, I bet.
I haven't even begun the fun that you're getting into right now.
Oh yeah. Alright, so... things are happening, I guess. Oh, I know. This is not right. This is wrong. God, you breathe into your mic really loud sometimes. Don't have it under your nose. I wonder if I still do that. I hope not. It's a good bit away from my nose, though. I hope I'm not too quiet either, because I moved it away a bit further. Alright, we got pop-up. This got smaller. Okay, whistle. Whistle for the dog. Okay, so that was is smaller versus is larger, and now it should be different. Yes, indeed. So right now they'll just stay underground for a really long time. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, I see. Right. Okay, we don't... Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay, so this part has to be not B5. And this part has to also not be B5. And thus it should not do this stupid loop of going down. Ah, fuck, I should have disabled the other part as well, I guess. Right. Yeah, that would be really causing some errors. Okay, let's disable this part as well. An image, you say?
Oh, I'm just reading some documents on HTML canvas stuff.
It's funny how people think they can't be heard over the headset when they whisper to themselves. Are you not interested in these moles?
No, I'm just going back and forth. I'm trying to work and watch.
Oh no, don't multitask on me. Alright, so now he's underground for longer, and then he comes back up with the bomb. That's good. Now the question is, can he teleport? Please, please. No! God damn it. Why you no teleport? Why? Fucking lazy moles. Alright, so we got... Oh, invisible, right. Okay, that's not invisible, but instead it is B5. Or B5, right. So let's have a look. Now it should be able to teleport. Oh boy, this is gonna be it. This is it.
Moment of truth.
I'm surprised that these moles were never throwing bombs at all, though. Rocks, that is, not bombs. Alright, here we go. Go down, and now I have to wait. Aha! That mole seems eerily close, almost as if he had teleported. Yes, teleportation!
It's possible now.
Oh, look at that guy, man. He's coming down, coming up another place, throwing a bomb at me. Oh boy, look, this is so great. This is just so close to how it should be. It's almost the finished thing now. Now I just got a whole lot of other bosses to do. Oh, one of them threw a rock at me as well. Great. Oh, he crushed me with the bomb. I love when they do that. Alright, that's good stuff. Wow, we have made some real progress today. I better not forget to put that into my archive in case of crashes. Alright, here we go. Wow, what a productive day. Just amazed. Just gonna do one last thing though. One tiny thing. Just minute. Alright, so we got short hole. This variable I told you or never told you about, depending if you have a really long memory. Or if you watched them in order. Short hole. The variable that gets changed when they teleport, so that they can come up quickly if they haven't teleported. Short hole is true, yes, that is almost correct. Well, yeah, this part's definitely correct, but let's see if there's any other cases where I set it to true. Nope, just those, and that sucks. So I need to set this here to as well. And here also. And so, right, or mole dot short hole, and this stuff with a slightly smaller number. 30. Alright, anything else about short hole at all? No. Stupid. This should be setting it to false, I guess. Alright, let's find out if this makes any difference. Gonna be interesting. Well, I guess slightly. Man, this is almost a finished boss fight now. Almost. I just need to enable the colliders on him while he's in the hole, and then another thing I need to do is to make him... Ah, fuck, he's too dumb to teleport. No. No, not that time he wasn't too dumb. I see. Oh wow, that's hilarious. I just realized that you could see the fuse of the bomb as they teleported. Great. Well, I couldn't really spot if they went under and over quickly or not. Let's see. Goes down, goes up. Yeah, that works. And goes up, goes down. Yeah, works. Alright, well, there you go. Mole nearly complete. And now I shall go and go to the movie and such. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Subscribe.